Hello kids, how are you? Wow, this is a new car. It is so beautiful of orange color. How this is riding? It is mentioned one. O-N-E. One. I like this car very much. Wow! Hey, this is mentioned the number one. Do you like this car? This is a magic car. Wow! I will ride this car. This magic car will go to the mud. See, this mentioned car toys play together. We should play together. This car is having two eyes. This is the light for this car. Oh no. No. I will not take this to the mud. But this car want to go to the mud. See how this car goes to the mud. Hey, this car has stuck here. I'm trying to rescue this. See now, this car will come outside. This car is trying to come outside. Oh, I'm taking this to the outside. Now I had take this to the outside from the mud. Please like and subscribe.